24 consonant phonemes used in English, from if to er. Here we are to learn the name of the phoneme this and the symbol used to represent it. This symbol represents the phoneme it. The name of this phoneme is it. It is a voiced phoneme. As there is no letter in English to represent this phoneme, I have done it using my tongue. Note, consonant phonemes would take place either the initial position or final position of the syllable. Example, initial position. D-A-R-K. It a dog. It dog. D-A-M. It a da. Im dam. D-A-M-E. It a day. Im dame. D-E-E-P. It E-D. If deep. D-I-M. It E-D. Im dim. D-O-G. It O do. Ig dog. D-O-O-R. It O do. D-O-U-B-T. It ow dou. It doubt. At the end of the syllable, A-D-D. It add. B-A-D. If a bird. It bird. C-H-I-L-D. Ich I child. Il it child. D-E-E-D. It E. D. It did. F if who foo it fool. G-L-L-D. It L go. Il it gold. H-A-D. It ha it had. M-A-D. Im a ma it mad. M-A-D-E. Im a may it made. N-E-E-D. In e knee it need. P-A-D. If a pad. It pad. S-A-I-D. Is a sad. It said. T-O-L-D. It a told. Il it told. The letter D represents this phoneme.